Would requiring part-time college students to complete mandatory internship hours enhance their chances of receiving full-time offers after graduation? The proposed argument: no, some students will refuse to do the internships, and even if they do attend, they'll be disruptive. Our task is to determine if the argument is strong or weak. We'll start by breaking down the argument into its key parts. Some students will refuse to do internships. This points to non-compliance from a subset of students. Even if they do attend, they will be disruptive. Assumes poor behavior of existence if forced to participate. When now use our argument strength checklists from the course materials. We need to assess relevance, significance, and completeness. And remember, for an argument to be strong, it must pass all three criteria. Failing just one makes the argument weak. Relevance: does the argument directly address the core issue, whether mandatory internships improve chances of full-time job offers? The answer is no. It focuses on a small group of students who might resist or act disruptively, rather than the overall effect of internships on employability. Significance: is the argument addressing a key factor? And again, it's no. Even if some students resist or act out, this doesn't significantly affect the broader benefits of internships and how they could provide for the majority of students. And finally, completeness: does the argument provide enough detail to stand on its own? And again, it's null. It presents an isolated scenario without addressing the actual impact of internships on employment outcomes. Because the argument is not clearly relevant, significant, or complete, we can conclude the argument is weak. A common mistake here is allowing the argument to shift the focus. Had the argument been focused on if every student would participate and act professionally, the argument may halt. But our argument discusses the employability of students from these internships, and with this focus, we know the argument is weak.